Lost giants. A mammoth return? Imagine this. A world where the past meets the present in the most extraordinary way. Woolly mammoths back from extinction. These magnificent creatures, once thought to be lost forever, could roam the Earth again. These giants roamed Earth thousands of years ago. Their presence was felt across the icy landscapes of the northern hemisphere. They vanished, gone from the planet. Their disappearance left a void in the ecosystem, a mystery that has puzzled scientists for generations. But what if they returned? Mammoths were amazing creatures. Their comeback could reshape our understanding of nature and evolution. Huge, with thick fur, they survived icy conditions. Their adaptations were perfect for the harsh climates they inhabited. Their extinction is still a mystery, though humans might have played a role. Overhunting and climate change are among the theories. Now science might bring them back. Advances in genetic engineering and cloning technology are making the impossible possible. The idea is thrilling and scary. The return of mammoths could have profound implications for our world. Could we really see these giants walk the Earth again? The possibility is both exciting and daunting. And if so, what would it mean for our planet and for us? The return of the mammoth could change everything we know about life on Earth. The science of second chances, could we, should we? This question has fascinated scientists and the public alike for years. Bringing back mammoths isn't magic, it's science. De-extinction uses advanced technology. Through the use of cutting-edge techniques, researchers are exploring the possibility of reviving species that have long been lost to history. Scientists could use preserved DNA to recreate a mammoth. By extracting and sequencing ancient DNA, they can potentially bring these majestic creatures back to life. Imagine a world where extinct animals get a second chance. But it's not easy. The process involves numerous scientific hurdles and technological challenges. There are many challenges to overcome. And ethical questions too. The implications of de-extinction are vast and complex, raising questions about biodiversity, ecosystem balance, and the role of humans in nature. Is it right to bring back a species when we don't fully understand the consequences? The ethical considerations are as significant as the scientific ones. It's a debate with no easy answers. Experts from various fields weigh in, offering diverse perspectives on the potential benefits and risks. The possibility is exciting, but caution is needed. While the idea of seeing a living mammoth is thrilling, the potential risks cannot be ignored. We must consider all sides before bringing back these ancient giants. The decision to revive an extinct species is not one to be taken lightly, requiring careful deliberation and responsible action. Mammoth in the room impacts on ecosystems. The idea of bringing back mammoths is both fascinating and controversial. These majestic creatures once roamed the Earth, and their return could have profound effects on our ecosystems. The return of mammoths would be a huge change. It's not just about seeing these giants again, it's about understanding the ripple effects they could create in the environment. How would they affect existing ecosystems? Would they disrupt the balance, or could they help restore it? These are questions scientists are eager to answer. Some scientists believe mammoths could help the environment. They argue that these animals could play a role in combating climate change by altering the landscape in beneficial ways. Imagine them roaming the Arctic tundra again. Their presence could transform the region, potentially bringing back grasslands and altering the local flora and fauna. Their heavy steps could thaw the permafrost. This might seem counterintuitive, but it could have significant environmental benefits. This might sound bad, but it could help release trapped greenhouse gases. By doing so, it could potentially slow down the rate of climate change. This could slow down climate change. However, the introduction of mammoths is not without its challenges and potential downsides. But there are downsides too. The reintroduction of such large herbivores could lead to unforeseen consequences in the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Mammoths would need a lot of food. Their dietary needs could put pressure on existing plant life and other herbivores. They might compete with other herbivores for resources. This competition could lead to a decline in some species and alter the food web. We need to carefully study their potential impact before releasing them into the wild. Only through thorough research and understanding can we make informed decisions about the reintroduction of mammoths and their role in our ecosystems. Living alongside legends, humans, and mammoths. Mammoths returning would be a big deal for humans too. Could we coexist with these massive creatures? It wouldn't be easy. Imagine the impact on tourism. Seeing a live mammoth would be incredible, but there would be risks. Mammoths are wild animals. We would need to learn how to live alongside them safely. It would require careful planning and management. We'd need protected areas and safety guidelines. It wouldn't be simple, but it could be possible. A future with giants, ethical questions and possibilities. The idea of mammoths walking the earth again is mind-blowing. It makes us think about the power and responsibility of science. Do we have the right to bring back extinct species? What are the consequences for our planet? These are questions we need to answer. The future could be a place where humans and mammoths share the planet once again. It's a future full of challenges and possibilities. It's a future we need to approach with careful consideration and a sense of wonder.